Subtitles by Stephanie Gaingis. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show the HELiOS internet server. Here you can see that I simply have my regular HELiOS, which is connected to the HELiOS internet server. That means I have here a project for the customer day is created, where I have already I have stored a few files here. A Navisworks file, 2 EFCs and a Word file. So am I now go to my HELiOS internet server, log in with my login details. What I'm saying all here about if I made Firefox over my Google Chrome, then I start here in the HELiOS internet server. Here I have the opportunity to go into my project and can immediately see my files. Basically, I have the option here to view my documents and switch directly to the graphics. Here you can see that I have my Cadmium server. I've deposited where I can simply view my data, meaning my geometries. Of course, I also have the possibility here to manage my data, to look at which form it is here, which part I have selected. What's very nice to pass things on is these so-called slides. I can define views here. As an example, I have defined an axonometry here, or a view without the trapezoidal profiles. In another respect, to look at something more closely, I have stored details here, where I can also click on the parts at any time and always see here which data it is. I have a wall mount here where I can see how it is, how my cardboard was screwed to the wall. Of course, I can do this with other parts as well, where I have deposited more documents here. Again, I'm going into the slides I've already created and can do so very quickly and easily through that navigate the whole project. Of course, I can change my orbit at any time and look at the model freely. And this model is always manually updated in the background by SoftVice, rendered. This is the Cadmium server, which renders it normally. Of course, I can also adjust the parts here. Turn on and off to simply look at certain things better and to look into the details. This is a very nice way to help to go through the 3D models with other users. This can be on the construction site. This can of course also be for an architect or for a building owner for early visualization. Subtitles commissioned by ZDF for Funk 2017.